Welcome, Riches, Mowers, and Blowers. Psh. And we are out walking around the Dundee auction. So let's go ahead and do a little preview because I'll be busy buying stuff. Kind of works out a little better. Then I don't miss some stuff like I have been. What do we got? What are we looking at? So somebody's junk is somebody else's treasure. That's what we got right here. Bicycles. What's in this trunk, Rich? Ooh, it's empty. There we go. It disappeared. It's like a magic trunk. Tonka. They always sell good, man. I know people like redo them or whatever they do. But they always seem to sell good, those Tonka trucks. Could maybe do a YouTube video on that. Restoring a Tonka truck. Got a little bit rusty. Look at that, even has the remote with it. Pretty darn cool. Wheelbarrow. A wheelbarrow. Got a wheelbarrow. Alright. Got some log chains. Little dolly. We got a backpack. What's this back here? Looks like a Ryobi. It is a Ryobi. 175 miles per hour. What? I've got those other ones and they say like 200 miles per hour. So why is that one only 175 and it's a backpack? What's going on with that, guys? What's inside here? Number 8. Whose race car is number 8? Maybe Bob will give me a shout out there. Number 8. So, Craftsman. And a yard machine. Look at this. Piled full of weed trimmers, weed whackers. And a rototiller. They snuck that in there, a mantis. Got some grow stuff there. We're up in Michigan. That's what we do with these lights. Ooh, what is this? Nice. I'm not sure what it is, but looks like something. Is that an ice chest, maybe? Could be. Ooh, a toolbox. Let's see if there's any good stuff inside the toolbox. Bless it. Bless it. Or as Seinfeld would say, you're so good looking. Yeah, I know. Everything can relate back to Seinfeld. Yeah. Look at that. These drawers are full of stuff. Even has a 10mm in there. Well, that one's empty. Disregard that one. We didn't look in there. But I got 12mm, 11/16, 11/15. What? 11/15. Oh, it's 11/16, Rich. Got a Craftsman, 5 horsepower, 21-inch. We got a, look at this. Let's see what this power washer is doing. And you got some of the tips left. Got a nice LT 2000. That looks too pretty to be here. DR unit. I know where this came from. That DR unit come from Doug's Repair. This is probably another one then. So wonder what the story was on these. Somebody took it to Doug's Repair. They didn't want to get it fixed. So or it was too much to get fixed, because these repair places are outrageous, right? Got some giant pumpkins there. You see how big that pallet is, so you can tell how big that pumpkin is. That's a nice looking tool chest there. 2 of them. Too bad it says Milwaukee on it. A McCullough. We'll come back to those things back there. Look at this pencil thing. Even got pencils in them. Letter opener. I haven't seen a generator yet. So you got a Stihl of a deal. Got a Ryobi. And the Stihl has the bag with it. HS86C. And that's a 025 or 6. Nope. 026 Stihl chainsaw. Let's go ahead and crank it over if I can. Nope, I can't hold it and crank it. Sorry. We'll have to do that another time. What else we got over here? Power washer. Another power washer. And we got that Argifat. I think that was here last time. They might have not sold it. Didn't bring enough money. And that jet ski didn't bring enough money. But we have this Honda. Twin blade. Got a trailer. Look at this. That looks pretty darn new. Wonder what's going on with that. That's like brand new, and that would come in handy. A Stark. Ooh, Iron Man made that. Look at this. That's like new also. Very good, very good. Got some juice. Yeah, so those are very interesting. Alright, let's walk back here. See what we got. The giant pumpkins. So in Dundee we have the giant pumpkin palooza. You can go ahead and watch some of my pumpkin videos. Some world records and some state records were broken. Got a drum set. Look at this. That one's broken in the bottom there. Got some tires back there. Vacuums, a pump, some kind of water pump. Pumping out some water. Look at this bad boy. There we go. Another Stihl of the deal. 50 to 1 it says on the top there. KM85R. KM85R has a brush cutter thing on it. Alright, what else we got here? These little black boxes. And check this out. Well, it does say China on it, but it's an anvil. Alright, what do we got here? This is the north. What's in the north? This one must be the south. Some shoes, it looks like. Skechers. Skechers shoes. They look brand new. Almost brand new. Cover them back up in case if it rains. A Craftsman. What we got in this little box? Whole bunch of whatnot. Alright. Ooh, a whole table full of stuff. Telling you guys, if you need something, JCPenney. Did you ever see some JCPenney tools? Well, now you have. This is an interesting long box. Look how long this box is. Oh, it's a grill. I'm gonna grill it.
Hey, can I get a yeah, something I want to write on this table. This table folds up. It's really a nice table. Probably shouldn't get rid of it. But I'm gonna.
Got a lamp there. Is that Tiffany? Got a heater and an empty toolbox. What's in here? Little treasures.
It don't open like you would think.
Look at that. There we go.
Here, hold it. Let me get it closer because from your distance, you're right on both.
What is in this box? We got Scott the auctioneer over there. He's unloading his stuff. And they're looking at some kind of... I don't know what it is. We'll have to go look at it in a minute. Here's a little engine. A little engine that could. Looks like it has a shifter on it. Wonder what that goes on, like a little bicycle or something. There you go. Interesting. Sears. It's probably a projector or something in there. Nope. Some kind of table saw thing. Interesting. Interesting. Backpack blower.
Oh, okay. I didn't know how because of the water there. Well, you're okay then?
Alright, let's see what's in this one, guys.
Hey, what are you eating? Is that the banana or is that the
Look at this. It's an old tackle box. A bunch of stuff in it. A Poulon Pro. That's French. Look, right there. 200 miles per hour. That's what these are. I've got some of those. There should be like a sticker on there that said 200 miles per hour. Some more backpack blowers. Looks like a Stihl or a Husqvarna. A Redmax 5100. McCullough chainsaw. Another chainsaw. A Stihl 026. There's a bunch of stuff in there on wagons. Look at this lawnmower. So, looks pretty shiny and new, but it's missing something. Missing the engine. And this is a DR. That came from Doug's Repair. But it does look pretty shiny. Got some razors over here and a jacket. It's when you're riding out in the wind and you can wear that jacket. What's in this tub? Ooh. What's in this one? Oh. It's a walkie-talkie. What's up, Mark? Alright, we got some snow blowers. A rocking horse looking thing. A manual. There you go, manual. And how do we say this? Fiskars? Is that a Fiskar? A Fiskar. And the snowman. The snow will be flying pretty darn soon. Christmas time. Christmas bells. Let's see. Let's see some Christmas bells. Oh, nice. Probably play some music or something. All right. Looks like that's about it. Got another guy over here unloading. So, all right, guys, that'll wrap it up for Rich's Mowers and Blowers. And we'll see you at the auction. Psh.